Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome, type Chrome, //settings/themes into the address bar and press enter. Once there, you see choices: Chrome themes, the web store, or a custom color. Make sure your browser is updated. That prevents missing options. You can back up bookmarks or sync your Google profile before changing themes. Now click Open Chrome Web Store or select Color and Theme to begin. This first step gets you to the exact controls you need. You browse or search for a theme in the Chrome Web Store and click a preview to inspect colors and screenshots. Once you find one, press Add to Chrome. The theme applies immediately so you can see changes. If you prefer manual control, open Color and Theme, pick a palette and apply. That changes toolbar, tabs, and new tab accents. Make sure to review any extension-like permissions if the theme requests them, because that affects privacy. You finalize by checking different pages and the new tab to confirm consistent colors. Once done, if colors look off, try Reset to Default in Chrome, //settings/themes, then reapply a theme. This often fixes glitches. If problems persist, clear cache and disable recent extensions. Some modify appearance. You can also test in incognito to rule out profile or extension interference. If nothing works, sign out and back in to sync settings, and then reapply the theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.